Hey, I'm Melanie Trailer. Today we are talking about StashWork Quilt Along. So at this point in this long 2024 Quilt Along cycle, we are on our third quilt from StashWork, which is the Flossie Quilt. Here are some pictures and videos of Flossie. This is one of my favorite patterns within that book, StashWork. So same as all the other ones that we've worked on so far. We've completed Checky, we've completed Dandy. This one is made the same way, strip piecing. It focuses on light and dark fabrics, although you don't have to follow those rules. It's just kind of there for a guideline for you. This makes 3 different quilt sizes, a 40 by 40, a 70 by 70, and a 90 by 90. And we're going to break this up into a 5-week quilt along. So on week 1, which starts August 23rd, we're going to be cutting fabrics. We're going to have 3 weeks worth of block making, and then on that final post, we will sew all our blocks together and make a finished quilt top. So if you are a beginner, this is a great quilt pattern for you to approach. There's nothing tricky or sneaky or anything like that. It's all straight line sewing. There is some strip piecing, but I'm going to walk you all the way through that. Strip piecing, if you've never done it before, is super efficient and just an easy breezy way of making a quilt. We will be having bundles soon. I don't have them listed at the time of recording this video, but I promise they are coming. So if you need a little bit of a helping hand choosing fabrics, those are going to be there for you. And then as I say that, know that this book, these patterns in this book, this quilt pattern, all of them are geared toward using your stash. So I want to encourage you to go and dig through your stash. The fabric requirements on Flossie, and I'm going to list them right here. These are kind of just the bare minimum of what you would need. It tells you exactly how many fat quarters you need to grab, but know that you don't have to approach this pattern this way. You can dig through all those leftover fat quarters that are sitting in your stash or maybe even your scrap bin. This is a good opportunity to get those fabrics used up. So pick which route you want to go. Do you want to dig or do you want to gather fat quarters? Totally up to you. All right, there is going to be a video demo every week. There's going to be a video every week, but there'll be demos in particular for organizing and making the strip sets, making the block, and then sewing all the blocks together. There's going to be prizes every week. I do not have those prizes sorted just yet, but that information is coming. It will be here before the quilt along begins. At this point, we've got a little less than a month to prepare. I'm going to put links to everything. Get yourself signed up for this quilt along if you aren't already on it. Grab a book, grab supplies, grab everything you need, and we'll be ready to kick this off on August 23rd. I'm really, really excited. I hope you are too. We're going to chat more about fabrics, sponsors, all the things the closer we get to the quilt along.